welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here, my forehead's here, we're here. Today's hair review is actually hair extensions. Yay! It's been a minute since we've done this on my channel, so let's just jump into it because we are gonna be doing step by step. If you want to give the wigs a break, this video is for you, so stick around. Today's hair sponsor is CurlsQueen, and this is actually my first collaboration with them. So I actually colored my hair. I gave myself a little trim before we got here. I have the 20-inch, which clearly looks a lot longer than that, light Yaki. I believe that is the texture that I have.
I realized that I just want to be myself. I can find a reason when I have to change. I'm not a princess. I'm who I am. Don't criticize. Don't criticize me. Don't criticize me. Don't criticize me. My life is your life. It's our life. Get on down, baby. Your life. My life is your life. It's our life. So someday we'll be someone. It was my father's.
So I did color my hair because I wanted it to match. So I'm gonna put the first row in. Back of my hair is a little bald.
But I realized that I
So I'm gonna go in with a smaller section.
just want to be myself. I can find a
Okay, the first row is in. Let me see here. And this is gonna blend in with my texture. It's like a Yaki straight. It's not kinky, but it's like Yaki. Okay, this is what it looks like. I've always been like, I don't know if I should do this because the way my hairline be set up in my forehead, it really be telling me not to. I might have to adjust the sections. Actually, yeah, this one will fit perfectly. So this is the next section. I'll spin around so you guys can see me applying it.
reason when I have to change. I'm not a princess. I'm who I am. Don't criticize you. Don't criticize me. Don't criticize me.
I'm gonna adjust this because it's really not that even. I'm not gonna spin around for this second time because I need to look at myself. There, clip the first two sections in. They feel to be made very well. Each weft has like 3 tracks on it. And this is what it looks like from the back.
Don't criticize me. My life is your life. It's our life. Get on down, baby. Your life.
Okay, what are we doing now? Let's see. We have to constantly reassess how many pieces we have. Okay, so I got this piece and then I got a shorter piece. Are these the same? I did chop 2 pieces. Okay, so that and that are the same. I'm gonna go in with one of the shorter pieces. It barely has anything to hang on to over here. Y'all, it's this hanging on for dear life, y'all. Oh my god. You can spray some spray. So because this area is really thin here, I'm gonna spray some spray and just kind of work that up. Give it something to cling onto. So if you're applying these and you got some thin edges like me, this is what I'm using. Okay, so that's kind of like thicker now. Oh yeah. Isn't necessarily a technique, like a spacing technique. You just kind of want to put it where you feel like it needs it. So wherever you feel like it needs a track, I'm putting a track.
You know you try.
So this is my last really long piece. I'm gonna put the one in the center and then wherever it lands. Sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Okay, now really starts the finessing. Okay, we got like 3 little tiny pieces left. I do want to do a bust down. Sometimes you fall. It feels really nice. Guys, we're getting somewhere. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart. Oh. Yo, this looks so good. Oh my god. Say I'm not wow. Okay, let's put some wax stick. Sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. It's amazing how well that blends. I'm so impressed. Wow. We're gonna have to add some layers. Sliding my shears. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. So we're gonna curl the hair just like you would curl any other hairstyle or wig. I'm gonna separate the sections and then start curling. This is what she looks like after being curled, with no hair products, by the way. So it's straight, but it's not completely bone straight. It's giving, that is her hair. It's giving African American hair. Now, I did relax my hair recently, guys. I was trying to hold out and not give my hair the relaxer that I wanted so desperately, but I couldn't do it anymore. Like, my hair in its natural state is just so much for me to handle. And even though I'm a hairstylist, I don't even know what to do with my natural hair. And I did end up cutting just a little layers on the little pieces here to give some face framing. I didn't really do any other cuts anywhere else, not necessary. The hair feels very soft. It does look like a natural black. It's not all the way like jet black, like the darkest black, but it's a very dark black, but it's a natural black. So if you want to dye your hair, this is what I used to dye my natural hair, was this color. Shampooed my natural hair and then I just put it everywhere, and then I wrapped my head with saran wrap, and then I just sat under the blow dryer. That's how I was able to match the shade, and it worked out perfectly. So my natural hair, which is like here, matches perfectly with the clip-in extensions. These clip-in extensions are very comfortable to wear. Once you clip them in, you don't notice that you have clip-ins. Somehow it doesn't feel like it's yanking on me, and I am very tender-headed. It just feels like it's my hair, honestly. I would definitely wear this style again. It didn't take that long to install, and I just gave my hair a blowout. I didn't really straighten it all that much because I wanted to blend with the texture. And look at the texture, guys. It's perfect match. Like, you can't even tell where my hair ends, where my hair starts and ends. So I love it. It's so pretty and it's full and thick, and like the one pack is definitely enough hair. You can, if you don't want it to be this full, the good thing is you can just remove the density. And I'm going to show you guys the back real quick. This is what the back is giving. If you want to put her up, this is what she would look like. You could do the ponytail as well. Like, you could do a lot of styles with this. And my forehead is not even offending me right now. Guys, I love it. I give this a 10 out of 10. Get this. Even if you just want to add a couple pieces like to the side of your hair, it's worth it. It's chef's kiss, guys. They done outdid themselves over there at CurlsQueen. I'm definitely feeling like a queen. Guys, go check them out. I'm gonna link this hair in the description box. I know it's a little bit different, but we want to take a little break from the wigs for just a half a day or so, okay? So just allow it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.